Basically, what the wave is self-explanatory. The wave is myself and the people around me. The tides are in the waves. So when I say the tides, those are the little things that leads up to the waves. There's low tides, there's high tides, but everything's all in the tides. You can't have waves without the tides. You don't understand the tides, you won't understand the waves. So the waves are just the bigger things that you see us doing, like music, radio, whatever the case may be, podcasts, the clothing part of the brand is everything. Like whatever movement we wanted to push, that's the wave.